What's up everybody and welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to go over Svelte Conditionals. So what a conditional does is it will render things into the DOM based on a certain condition. So a good example of that is if you're on a website and you're logged in, you're going to see different content than if you're logged out. So what they do is they show those two views based on the user's status. So what I did is I went ahead and I cleaned up the app.svelte component. This way we could have a fresh slate to start working on this. So what we'll do is we'll set a variable, show text, and we'll set that to false for now. This way the text doesn't come up. And we'll just create some text. So let's just do an H1. I am the text. We'll create a button. And we'll call it show text. And so we can see it. We'll do H1 color white, since I run in dark mode. So as you can see, we have I am the text, show text. So right now it is showing because we haven't said anything. Now, if you want to show the text conditionally, the way you do that is you do pound if, and then you use that variable. So show text, and then you have to close the if block with a /if. So what this will do is, since this is false, you won't see the text. Now let's add a click handler here on click. Handle click, and in this we want to create a function show text equals true. So now if we go back into here, if we show text, you can see it shows the text. So that conditionally shows it. Now, sometimes you will have more than two states, so you can expand on the conditionals and have multiple conditionals inside of it using else ifs and elses depending on what's going on. So as an example of that, let's just set this to count, and we'll set it to 0. And then what we'll do here is when we hit the button, we'll do count equals count plus 1. And we'll change this to be increment count. Now, in order to do this, we could do if count is greater than 10, we could do something like, oops, let's fix this. All right, so we could do count is a big number. Making mistakes everywhere here. All right, then what you could do is you could do an else if, so it's colon else if count is greater than 0, we could put an H1 and do count is a small number. And then as a catch-all, if it's 0 or null or doesn't exist, we could do an else. And we could do H1 no count to show. So if we save that, you can see since it's 0, we have no count to show. If we increment it, we get 1 is a small number. And then if we increment it all the way to 11, which is greater than 10, we get 11 is a big number. So this is really helpful in a lot of different situations. Say you have a modal that you want to show. You do want to set conditionals based on if that modal should come up. And I hope that was a helpful overview on conditionals in Svelte. If you did enjoy it, let me know. And in the next one, we're going to go over loops in order to display multiple items in the DOM. So I hope to see you there.